Hi everyone, and welcome back to Truehost Academy. Today we're diving into customizing the GeneratePress theme in WordPress. Whether you're building a new site or tweaking an existing one, GeneratePress is a versatile and lightweight theme that's easy to adjust to your needs. Let's get started. First, let's install the GeneratePress theme. Log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Appearance Themes. Click on Add New and search for GeneratePress. Click Install and then Activate. Once the theme is activated, head to Appearance and then Customize. This is where you'll find most of the customization options. Start with Site Identity. Here you can set your site title and tagline and upload your logo. Make sure to preview the changes in real time. Next, let's tweak the colors and typography. Under Colors, you can change the color scheme for various elements like the background, text, and links. The typography section lets you adjust font sizes, families, and weights for different parts of your site. Head over to the layout section to configure settings for the header, navigation, sidebar, and footer. You can adjust the layout width, set up container widths, and manage how elements are aligned on your pages. Customize your site further by setting up widgets and menus. Go to widgets to place elements in your sidebar or footer. For menus, head to menus and set up your primary and secondary menus, including drop-downs and custom links. If you need more advanced customizations, use the additional CSS section. Here you can add custom styles to tweak your site's appearance beyond the built-in options. Once you're happy with your changes, don't forget to click Publish to make them live. Always preview your changes to ensure everything looks just right. And that's it. You've successfully customized the GeneratePress theme to fit your needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more WordPress tips and tricks. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.